Tony's Adventures. Adventures. Well, hello and welcome to Tony's Adventures. I'm here at Killala Pier and I'm here with John and Hilary. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
We're off to Bartra Island to see what's on the other side and whatever else we can see on the way. Here we go. We've just pulled up on this bar here with navigation beacons here, and let's pull the rigs up. We're going to have a little explore. Off we go. So the lads here are talking about climbing this tower now. Let's see how they get on. To Bartra Island, stopped off at the navigation beacon just for a peek, quick peek and a look around. Lovely calm evening. So we're here on Bartra Island now, and just thought we'd pull up for a quick look around before we head back to Killala. So I'm told I have to climb up there and slide down. Let's give it a go.
Let's give it a go.
was lovely paddle out to Barter Island. Thank you, John and Hilary, for joining me. Good stuff. So if you like what you see, stay tuned. More coming up. New videos every Tuesday and Friday till the end of August. So please like, subscribe, share, send me a comment, of course, because I'd love to hear from you. And don't you forget now, stay adventurous.